this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an overhead back extension on a TRX. So firstly, to set up the TRX, what I want you to do is I want you to find the front of your hip bone, and your TRX handles are just going to be above that position. The prime movers for this exercise are going to be your glutes and lower back. And when you also keep that overhead position, you'll feel the muscles of your upper back stabilizing to keep your arms overhead. Now, I'm just going to show you what you're going to do without the TRX first, with the use of my hands, and then I'll show you on the TRX, the overhead extension. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet hip width apart, and you're going to be coming back with your hips. So hips to the back of the room. From this position, I want you to imagine you're squeezing your glutes and you're going to try and bring your back up as well as your hips forward at the same time. So that would look like this. Okay? The difference is on the TRX, we're obviously going to have the hands above the head when we do that. So what I don't want you to do is overextension of the back, so that would look like this. Okay, I'm exaggerating of course, but we do see it. I want you to just bring yourself into that upright neutral position and no further than that. So once you've got the hands in the handles of the TRX, you're going to adopt that position, hands above the head, come down until you've got the hips at the back of the room, and from here, straight up, squeezing the glutes, back to neutral position, your start position. And then all while, even in this position, I'm trying to keep my back as straight as possible. So even when I'm here, I'm not bringing the back up as high as possible. Everything's nice and straight. And I come into that upright position by bringing my hips forward and also my back up at the same time. That's how to do an overhead back extension on a TRX. You would repeat that for your desired amount of reps and sets.